Hello everyone, welcome to Sarah's sketchbook. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw fashion croquis easily. All you need is just your iPad and a pro pencil. So let's get started very easily, step by step. So all you need to do, firstly I'm gonna figure out how many figure I can draw in this page. I think 4 is good enough to draw. Firstly, I already have a page, and then I get a dark color. Okay, it's good enough. Then I draw a few straight line. 1, if you have noticed that when you hold your pencil at the end of the line, then it makes it straight, and you can also move it around. 1 more in here maybe. Okay, so what I do now, I quickly find out, so normally it's 8.5 to 9 head. That's the proportion of fashion figure, but here, because we don't have that much space, we see how tall we can draw them. So far we can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These lines, the distance between these lines always need to be the same, because it is important. I explain you in a few seconds. Then I am not measuring them, I'm just doing it with my eyes, and I'm hoping they are, yeah, it looks like they're same size, only maybe the first one is a little bit longer, but it doesn't matter. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here we can consider it as a half, doesn't matter. So what does it mean it needs to be 8.5 head? It means if your head is, for example, let's say 2 centimeter wide and 3 centimeter long, then distance between each of them should be 3 centimeter, and even this 2 centimeter is useful. It gives you the direction, then you don't draw the body very wide or very narrow. So now what I'm gonna do, I'll draw heads between these lines. There is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's imagine it's 8.5. So we can see they are not exactly the same size, but the thing is, I just wanted to show you how am I counting them, and what exactly do I mean by 8.5 head. So let's draw our body in a new layer, because maybe later we want to rub off this layer. So let's always not to do everything in same layer. And what I'm gonna do now, I start with the head in the first line. Let's actually draw another line here as well. And then what we have next, in the middle of these two lines, we have shoulder. Shoulders always twice the head size. I mean how wide your head is. If it's 3 centimeter, then your shoulder needs to be 6 centimeter. You just double it, very basically. Then we've got waistline, so here is our waist. From the top, 1 2 3 4, the fourth one is our waistline, and fifth is the hip line. Hip can be twice or 2.5 size of the head. And then how do we show the joint? With these little circles, very easily, just like that. And here is the arm, elbow, the arm. And legs finally. So here after hip line, 1 2, the second one is knees, and then foot. This is how easily we could draw one figure. So let's go to the next one now. Again, we start with the head. Oh, I forgot the neck actually. So this time, let's imagine this figure is not looking straight and is staying like this. So in this case, we can see this side as well. Then this is the center line, chest line, and waist. And here would be our hip line. We can still see this side. There we go. And now arms. So this could be one of the arm, and the other arm is here as well. Legs. Now we can decide the position of our legs. There we go. Here is the second one. So this one, let's imagine this is the one doing catwalk. Then we need one leg in front of the other. This one is folding, that's why it's shorter. And even the arms. There we go. So one more. The head again. So this time let's draw it other way around. This is all about practicing. Also, it's really good and helpful if you know about perspective. Just keep practicing and watch all the videos who are for beginners, and these are really helpful. Also, there is another version of this which I have done in my sketchbook with pencil. Then if you prefer working in your notebook, then I can put the link in the description. Then you can practice that one with the pencil if you're easier, or if you don't like drawing an iPad, or if you don't have an iPad, it's absolutely fine. Working on a sketchbook is still my favorite than digital work, but still it's really good to know both of them, and so helpful. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I do really appreciate it if you can do it. And if you have any suggestion for my future's video, do not hesitate. Let's communicate and let me know in the comments, as I really like to know what do you guys like to learn and like to watch. And then here's the elbow. Amazing. So this is the last one, and this is how easily we could draw a few figures in a few seconds, not seconds, I mean a few minutes. And after this I will get rid of the first one, and you can see now how it's very basic, but it can show the figure very easily. So everyone look at this, they can understand this is fashion figures, the style, the standing, yeah, everything is so clear. And if we want to draw on top of it later, then we can just reduce the opacity, just add another layer and draw anything that we would like on top. Then in the next video I will show you how do I draw clothing on them. Then thanks for watching this video. I really hope you have learned something new today. Have a lovely day, and thanks for watching. Bye.